Hi, question number 6 taken from October 2015, Advanced Level Maths HSC P3. The polynomial 8x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 1, where a and b are constants, is denoted by px. It is given that x plus 1 is a factor of px, and that when px is divided by 2x plus 1, the remainder is 1. Find, for the first part, the values of a and b, 5 marks, and also for the second part, when a and b have these values, factorize px completely. Okay, so let's do this. Right, so what do we have is px is equal to 8x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 1. We are told that x plus 1 is a factor, therefore x is going to be minus 1. In other words, we're saying f minus 1 or p minus 1 is equal to 0 because it's a factor. Hence, let us use this. So we're going to say p minus 1 is equal to 8 times minus 1 to the cube. What is minus 1 to the cube? It is minus 1. Minus 1 times 8 is minus 8. Minus 1 to the square is 1. 1 times a is a plus a. Minus 1 times b is minus b. We have minus 1. All of that's going to be equal to 0. So therefore 0 is equal to a minus b. Minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9. So a minus b is equal to 9 goes on the other side, becomes plus 9. So this is your first equation. Now let us move on to do the second part. We are told that when px is divided by 2x plus 1, there is a remainder of 1. So what is this? This is going to be, x is going to be minus half. So in other words, we're saying p of minus half is equal to 8 times minus half to the cube plus a times minus half to the square plus b times minus half and then minus 1. This section is right. So what is this? You work that on the calculator. So 8 times bracket minus half to the cube, it's going to give us minus 1. So this is minus 1. This has a remainder of 1. If we're going to say 1, 8 times minus, what is minus half to the square? Minus 0.5 to the square is 0.25. So maybe we can put this as plus 0.25a. Minus half times b is minus 0.5b minus the 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. These two will go on the other side. So we're going to get 1 plus 2 is equal to 0.25a minus 0.5b. So 0.25a minus 0.5b is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. And that's your second equation. Now, so right, yeah, minus 1. Okay, so how can we solve this? We can make a the subject formula from the first equation and substitute in the second equation. So therefore, can I say a is equal to 9, send b on the other side becomes plus b. You substitute that here. Okay, so we're going to say 0.25a, a is 9 plus b, minus 0.5b is equal to 3. 0.25 times 9 is going to give you 2.25 plus 0.25b minus 0.5b is equal to 3. 0.25 minus 0.5. Okay, so yeah, is this yeah, we have a minus here. Okay, so 0.25 minus 0.5 minus 0.25 b is equal to 3. You send the 2.25 on the other side. That's going to end up as b is equal to 0.75 divided by minus 0.25. Therefore we have b is equal to minus 3. That's the value of b. Okay, b is minus 3. Excellent. Now we are told that okay, so we have to find a, which is a is equal to 9 plus b. Therefore a is equal to 9 plus minus 3. A is equal to 6. And we have b is equal to minus 3. These are the values of a and b. Now, when px has these values, when a and b have these values, what is the equation? It is px is equal to 8x cubed plus ax squared. What is a? 6. So plus 6x squared plus bx. B is minus 3. So minus 3x minus 1. So here's the equation. We need to factorize this equation. How can we do this? So maybe we can start by dividing. The equation 8x cubed plus 6x squared minus 3x minus 1 divided by what is the first expression, the first factor that we had. We were told that x plus 1 is a factor. Maybe we can divide by x plus 1. So we're going to divide this whole thing by x plus 1. 8x cubed divided by x plus 1. The x cubed divided by x, we're going to get 8x squared. 8x squared times x is 8x cubed. Okay, 8x squared times 1 is minus, so plus 8x squared. You're going to minus this. 6x squared minus 8x squared is minus 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. Right, so minus 2x squared divided by x is minus 2x, isn't it? Minus 2x times x is minus 2x squared. Okay, if you divide, divide 2x squared by x, it becomes minus 2x. So yeah, minus 2x times x is minus 2x squared. Okay, so we're going to minus this whole expression. Minus 2x times 1 is minus 2x. This cancels out. Minus 3x minus minus 2x is minus x minus 1. Minus x divided by x, you're going to get minus 1. Minus 1 times x is minus x. Minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. Minus, that's going to become 0. So, what we can do now, we can try to factorize this. How are we going to factorize this? So, we're going to have to factorize 8x squared minus 2x minus 1. So let's try and do some simple factorization. If we have 8 here, maybe we can do 4x times 2x is 8x squared, and we have to have minus 1, 2 in the middle. So 1, 1. Minus 2 should be in the middle. So maybe I can say 2 times x is 2x, 4 times x is 4x. And how can I get minus 2x by putting this as minus 4x, because minus 4x plus 2x is minus 2x. Now if this is minus 4x, then it's minus 1, because minus 1 times 4 is minus 4x, and we have plus there then. So then we have 4x plus 1, 2x minus 1. So is that alright? Minus 1, minus 4x minus 0, that's fine. So therefore, this here can be given as 4x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. So if we have to factorize px, we're going to get 4x plus 1, okay, times 2x minus 1 times x plus 1. Here we are for the factorization.